guys, this is my first video on computer networks. This is introduction to computer networks, bottom up approach. This one also called as computer communications. Here we are going to see the basic stuff and the syllabus of this course. Now let's go and see one by one. The first one is, why do we study this? What's the scope for this course? The first one is, networking is everywhere. You can see nowadays internet is the main networking thing that everybody uses. Without internet we can't even live right now. It became like an oxygen. And the next thing is, network supports the way we learn. Now you can see that while I'm teaching, like I am in the another part of the world, I'm in Canada, but someone from India can watch this, someone from America can watch this, so it actually helps us a lot than before. Like if you look at like 20 years ago, we cannot learn like this. We have to just rely on the professors in the school or just the books around us. But nowadays the network supports the way we learn. It makes it like 100 times better. The third one is, networks support the way we communicate. It's you can see the Skype, all the communication devices, like the phone we use, all of them are supported by networks. And the next thing is, networks support the way we work. Nowadays you can work from home also because of the networks. The next thing is, networks support the way we play the video games and all the stuff. It's all because of the network. Now the next thing is the pedagogy, the lecture, problem solving, simulation using Cisco Packet Tracer. And in this syllabus, we are first in the chapter 1 we are going to learn about the fundamentals. Chapter 2 we are going to learn about the data link layer. Chapter 3 we are going to learn about the network layer. Chapter 4 we are going to learn about the transport layer, and chapter 5 we are going to learn about the application layer, and in the chapter 6 we are going to learn about the network security. Now what are the outcomes we are going to get after this, after we study from this video? The first one is, upon the completion of this lecture, the learner will be able to understand what is computer network is, and then also we can identify end devices and intermediary devices. Now let's look at the definition of computer network. Computer network is a set of nodes connected by communication links. A node can be a computer, printer, or any other device capable of sending and receiving data generated by other nodes in the network. Now let's look at the examples of nodes: computer, server, printer, security camera, and many more. Definition of computer network, that one we looked at already, but if you look at the definition, computer network, a computer network is a set of nodes connected by computer networks. So these two words are the main things: nodes and the communication links. Now in the previous one we looked about the nodes. In this one we are going to see the communication link. What is communication link? A communication link can be a wired link or wireless link. The link carried in the information. Now here this is an example of wired link, computer connected to another computer. Wireless link, a cell phone from another cell phone. It's a wireless link. Now let's look at this. Okay, wire link, wireless link we looked at in the previous slide. Now this one, the link carries the information. Links, the wired one is cable, example is cable. Wireless is AR, Wi-Fi, those kind of things are wireless, they carried by the AR. Now the next thing is an example of computer networks. You can see we have a bunch of nodes, and we have intermediate links. This is wireless, and here we have a wire one. So all combined nodes and the nodes, all the nodes, these all are nodes here, and the communication link connected is called as computer network. Now the next thing is, find out the end nodes, intermediary node depicted in the scenario and place them rightly. Now we have to we have to find out the difference between end devices and the intermediary devices. Now you can see all the devices that access the internet or Wi-Fi is actually end devices. Like you can see PC, printer, server, tablet, smartphone. All of them are accessing the Wi-Fi and internet. Those are called end devices. But those helps to transfer those wireless things like internet. If something is helping us transfer the internet, those are the things called intermediate nodes. That's router, wireless router, cell tower, modem, and internet cloud. Now from this course, after this complete this lecture, we learned upon the completion of this lecture, the learner will be able to understand what is computer network and identify the end devices and intermediate devices. We have gone through these things, and that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I have more videos coming on this topic. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you guys next time.